Very good morning to all the students. Today's topic title is Defeat Obesity with 80 is to 20 Thumb Rule. Choice today for a healthier tomorrow. Today's topic contents are introduction, what is obesity, harmful effects of obesity, causes of obesity, diet versus lifestyle, what is 80 is to 20 thumb rule, need for energy balance, what are calories, counting the requirement of calories, balanced diet and nutrition intake, when to start exercising, tips to maintain a healthy weight. Now we'll start with the introduction part. In introduction, in today's topic, we are going to focus on what is obesity and how to deal with it. Basically, today you are going to learn the 80 is to 20 thumb rule, which will eliminate obesity permanently from your life. Students, in my earlier video, I have already explained about the calculations of BMI. It means body mass and index. To let you understand the status of your body, when will help you know whether your body is underweight, normal weight, overweight or obesity. Today I'll explain you simple tricks with the help of which you can defeat obesity and achieve new self by following simple steps and adopt the explained ideas practically in your life. Watch the video till the end to know the secrets to achieve the healthier you. What is obesity? Obesity is a medical condition in which excess fat has accumulated to such an extent that there is every possibility of negative effect on the health. The level of obesity is further classified as under. Obesity level starts when the BMI shows the body mass index rating above 30. Now class 1 obesity begins above 30, that is 30 to 35, and from 35 to 40 it's class 2, and above 40 it is class 3 obesity, which will be extremely dangerous from any point of view. Students, this diagram will show you the disease caused by obesity. I am showing it to you so that it could be easy for you to understand the risk factors of obesity. Harmful effects of obesity. Uneven body structure. Now students, you know when fat is accumulating on your body, how your body structure will look. It will look very odd, which will be not a pleasant look. We all know that. Cardiovascular diseases like heart attack, related problems with heart, artery blocking, like such disease you will be facing when you are in phase of obesity. Type 2 diabetes, high sugar level, obstructive sleep apnea, certain types of cancers, osteoarthritis, depression, extreme hunger leading to overeating, low energy levels, lethargic approach, etc. Causes of obesity. Genetics. Of course, if your parents are also obese, then there are chances that you may face the similar symptoms in your young age. But not to get scared because of it. It can be controlled by a regular physical activities and a proper diet. Long-term consumption of junk food. I don't have to explain this to you. Addiction towards unnecessary and unhealthy eating. Imbalance in the insulin level. Certain medications, lactic resistance. Lactic levels are very high in obese people. High sugar intake, lack of awareness among people. Diet versus lifestyle. Diet is all about maintaining the nutrition balance in the daily intake of food. And when I say daily intake, it must be part of your routine throughout your life, which is called as lifestyle. Well, students, diet is nothing that is temporary. In fact, diet must be lifestyle to be followed endlessly. With the increased use of internet, a lot of diet plans are accessed by individual, such as the popular diets like GM diet, ketogenic diet, water diet, egg diet, raw food diet, vegan diet, South Beach diet, paleo diet, and many more. All that I want you to do is, before taking up any of these diets, ask yourself just one question. Will I be able to continue this diet for a lifetime? And if your answer is yes, then kindly go ahead. And if your answer is no, then clearly step back. Therefore, to be precise, a healthy lifestyle is much preferred instead of temporary solution to stay fit and healthy in the long run. What is 80 is to 20 thumb rule? Here comes the time to reveal the secret to achieve a healthy body and lifestyle. Many times people focus more on working out rigorously and ignoring diet to transform their body. This does not give desirable outcome because the truth is other way around, where a person needs to give major focus on the diet and consumption of food and then maximize his exercise routine to the possible extent. A person can change one's body composition by following a simple rule, wherein a combination of 80% of the diet and 20% of exercise needs to be included. Student, this way there is an achievement of goals with sustained weight loss. This rule is backed by nourishing the body sufficiently and burning body fat in a healthy way, so that you do not quit your weight losing journey in the midway and attain your desirable body weight. A need for energy balance. Energy balance is the relationship between energy in, calorie taken into the body through food and beverages, and energy out, calorie being used in the body for our daily energy requirement. This relationship, which is defined by the law of thermodynamics, explains whether weight is reduced, gained, or remains the same. According to this law, energy is never created or destroyed. Rather, energy is transformed between entities. We convert potential energy that is stored within our body, measured in calorie or kilocalories, into three major destinations: work, heat, and storage. Energy balance is extremely important because it also affects what is going on with your cells. When you are in a positive energy balance, more in than out, and when you are in negative energy balance, more out than in, everything from your metabolism to your hormonal balance to your mood is impacted. What are calories? A calorie is the amount of heat needed to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius. Calorie in food provide energy in form of heat so that our body can function. Our body stores and burn calorie as fuel. A calorie measures the amount of energy in the food and beverages that we consume. We all need this energy to live and to stay healthy. All the activities that we do rely on the energy that comes in the form of calories. Different type of food provides different levels of energy. That is, the three macronutrients are not equal in the number of calories they provide. Protein and carbohydrates have less than half of the calories per gram when compared to fat. Now, students, this is a small table which I have prepared for you so you could understand it easily. That fat per gram gives 9 calories, and that is compared to carbohydrate and protein, it is very much less, as carbohydrate and protein per gram gives only 4 calories. So you are aware now why fat has more calories. Counting the requirement of calories. An average man needs to consume 2500 calories to maintain his weight and 2000 calories to lose about 1 pound per week. Meanwhile, woman needs to eat about 200 calories per day to maintain her weight and 1500 calories to lose 1 pound of weight per week. However, this depends upon various factors related to each individual. Thus, to get an accurate figure about your calorie intake, you can make use of the calorie calculators easily available on the internet. All you need to do is feed in the required data such as gender, age, height, weight, and the level of your activity. Now, students, this is the diagram which shows you the food items. These are the food items which must be essential on your eating plate. You just go through the chart to get aware of the healthy diet. Now, when to start exercising? The major mistakes that everyone makes is they start exercising all of a sudden when they realize one fine day that they are overweight or obese. This causes a traumatic situation for the body which can affect you negatively. This is so because the body is neither nourished nor ready for exercise. The various signs that the body signal to tell you that it is not ready is extreme body ache after the workout, lack of activeness, joint pain, disturbed appetite, etc. To avoid this, you need to start your exercise when your body is nourished and ready for it. Therefore, way before you start your exercise routine, you need to initially start consuming a healthy diet containing loads of nutrition including micro and micronutrients to maximize the benefits of the nutrition equation. Tips to maintain a healthy weight. Limit the portion size to control calorie intake. Add healthy snacks for intermeal hunger. Include exercise routine in your lifestyle. Talk to your doctor if you think your weight is too much or too little. Consume calorie based on your age, gender, and activity level. Be consistent with your diet. Keep only healthy food at home. Cook for yourself instead of eating junk outside. Exercise regularly. Indulge yourself in mindful eating and make better food choices. Plan for a lifetime and avoid fad diets. Maintain a diary to note down your food intake and exercise. Plan your diet and exercise well to best suit your routine. These are the choices you will make today for a healthier tomorrow. Thank you. Stay fit, stay healthy.